Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's getting near that time of year again where everybody's thinking about lovers being in the air, February. So what I'm going to do is cook a Tuscan dish, and it's actually been renamed Marry Me Chicken. And it's a lovely dish. It consists of lots of nice herbs and spices, and it really is a delicious dish. Quite simple to make, so I hope you try to do this one and follow along and watch how I do it. By the way, we've still got a giveaway going on from our last video, so we're going to leave a link and you can have a look at it and see how to win what we're giving away. See you in a moment. First thing we're going to do is to get the seasonings ready to coat the chicken in. By the way, it's called Marry Me Chicken for a reason. It's said that when you make this, the person that you make it for will want to marry you because it tastes so good. Right, we crack the egg into the bowl. And then the next thing we do is we add in our spices, which we've got paprika, black pepper, garlic salt, ordinary salt, some oregano and some thyme, and we put that into our plain flour. We give that a mix up, and this is all for our seasoning. Next thing we do is we whisk up the egg, and this is ready to dip the chicken in. With one hand, to keep one hand wet and one hand dry, what you do is coat the chicken in the egg mixture, make sure it's really coated, don't want to waste any of it, and then from there put it into the mixture of the flour and the seasoning, and then with the other hand coat it all over, and make sure you thoroughly coat it, get all those lovely herbs and spices into the chicken. Once you've got your chicken coated and it's all prepared, get yourself over to your frying pan, get it onto a medium heat, get yourself some good quality olive oil and put about 2 tablespoonfuls into the pan. Make sure you drizzle it all over, and I say, a couple of good tablespoonfuls, and that will prevent your chicken burning. Right, you also want to get yourself some butter, about 30 grams, put that in with the olive oil, let it melt down, and then when it's ready, then add in your chicken. Your butter and your olive oil are melted in the pan, as I said before, on a medium heat. Put the chicken in, so fry this gently on both sides until it's golden brown. Okay, let's see how it's doing. Lovely. So we're at the point where we turn it over and cook it some more. Once this is fried off, what we're going to do is to put this into an oven tray and then finish it off in the oven until it's cooked through. This is now going to go into the oven at about 180 degrees C, and we put that in there for about 10 minutes until it's finished cooking. When it comes out, we'll check the temperature to make sure it's ready. Right, now it's time to make the sauce. Let me show you how to do it. Cut yourself up an onion, slice a tomato ready to go in the sauce, crush up some garlic ready to go in the same pan that we cook the chicken in, so we can use the existing juices. We'll put in the onion and the tomatoes, and we'll fry the onion until they get softened, which is usually about 5 to 10 minutes. Not too high because you don't want to burn them. While the onions and the tomatoes are cooking, get yourself a red bell pepper and slice these up, ready to add into the sauce in a little bit of time. Right, the onions are softened up for my liking, so I'm now going to add a few things into it. What I'm adding into the pan now is the red bell pepper and also the crushed garlic. And I'm also going to put in a few chili flakes, not too many, just enough for a bit of a taste. And then we go in with the sun-dried tomatoes. And then we give all this a good mix and then let this cook through. And last of all, we now add in some tomato puree, a tablespoonful. And we'll let this mix around till it's all coming together. This is probably for about 5 minutes. Okay, chicken's ready, so we'll take that out of the oven, ready to go into the dish. While the chicken is resting, we'll finish off some more ingredients in the sauce. We're going to add in some wine. You can use either white wine or red wine, whatever you've got to hand. Around about 90 mils of that. And then we'll let that bubble away. Whilst that's bubbling away, we'll also add in some chicken stock. This is about 240 mils. And then that will all bring the dish together and it will gradually thicken up. Okay, I'm now going to let this bubble away, gently simmering for about 5 minutes. Right, I'm going to put a pinch of salt and pepper in, and then I'm going to add in some more oregano and some more paprika. Right, now what I'll do is add in some Parmesan cheese. This gives it a lovely creamy taste. And now I'm going to add in about half a cup of double cream. Now that that's got to that stage, I'm going to put in some basil. Make sure you break your basil and don't cut it with a knife, otherwise it tends to go brown. And I'm also going to add in some flat leaf parsley with that as well. And then we give this a stir up and we just leave it till it wilts a little bit. Okay, here we go. Time to put the chicken into the sauce and just give that a mix around and make sure it's all coated. The sauce is ready, the chicken is ready. Make sure that the chicken is cooked thoroughly before you serve it, and just coat it over with this lovely mixture, and it is now ready to serve. Right, it's tasting time. The recipe's done and we've cooked this lovely chicken. Really does look nice and it smells good too. Let's have a taste, see what it's like.
You go first. Chef's honours.
I've only done one piece, but what you'll be doing for yourself is you'll be doing this maybe 3 or 4 pieces. And I can't wait to try this.
That's nice. I want to get involved. Let me see. Let's see what we got. It smells lovely. It smells really, really nice.
It's a nice creamy sauce.
I'm a fan of a good sauce and a bit of chicken. So let's set in.
Nice, yeah. And what you can do is you can serve this with pasta, or you can simply serve it with bread.
Or rice.
Yeah, whatever you prefer.
Chips if you want to go Costa del Dagnum.
Or you can do lots and lots of spinach in it.
Yeah.
But this is just nice on its own, to be honest. But it won't fill you up, so you have to have something else with it.
I really like how the chicken is slightly crispy.
Yeah.
It adds something different to it. I wasn't expecting that. I kind of forgot that we floured it, to be honest. But yeah, I'm really impressed with that.
Yeah.
I really, really like that. Well done.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
So, special one for Valentine's Day. Make it and get somebody to marry you if you want.
And don't forget about the giveaway. I see a lot of people in our comments say they also don't know where our bios are. So underneath the video, if you click on the description where our name is, Cook with Chris Peters, you'll be able to see the entire method of everything that we do every week, and I'm sure you'll be able to find it. It's there, you just have to do a bit of looking.
Yeah, anyway, thanks everybody for watching. Thanks for your filming, Jack, and I hope you enjoyed it. And please like and subscribe, because we would like to get a bit bigger. We've been going over a year now.
Yeah, I think, well over a year. More people need to see our stuff, you know? It's deserved. I think everybody else needs to start seeing this stuff. We do it because we love it. We fit it around our lives, and we just want more people to see what we do. So yeah, thank you everybody.
Yeah,
thanks, Dad.
Please like, follow, subscribe, give us a thumbs up.
All that YouTube stuff.
Make a comment. Make us famous if you like.
It takes 2 minutes, and we'd really appreciate it.
All right. Thanks again, and we'll see you again for another video next week.
Bye.
Bye.